Yep. Now, again, did anybody get in on Amazon on the scalp, on the bounce of 200? I said, this is your opportunity. Did you do it? We're at VWAP. Didn't I say this is a perfect opportunity for collect?
Gone.
Not all. Don't you say gone. Don't you say gone.
I'm sorry. All this time.
Shed. We've been going through this over and over. It's a shed. It's not.
I know.
All
I
right.
didn't shed this time.
All right. It's all right. But do you guys see, though, how we're getting better and better and better and better and better? Amazon, you guys are at puts. Be careful here. This is the resistance. Now you're at puts. Those of you that are in calls, you are shedding here. Stops below. If you're in a call, I'd have a stop below 155.17. See it? If you're in a put, I'd put a stop around 155.45. So there's your stop to the up. There's your stop to the bottom. When in doubt, if you don't know what the hell to do and you're panicking, buy one of each. That's a straddle. Amazon has still not broke through. This is still resistance territory. This is still, to me, a put versus a call. This is why we collect on these locations in case it goes against you. It doesn't go all the way against you. Does that make sense, everyone?
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Now, what would you guys do if it pops to the upside and holds? If you have not got into a trade yet, what would be a good thing that you could possibly do if it breaks VWAP to the upside and holds, scalpers? What would be something good?
Call with a stop just below VWAP.
There you go.
Danny DeVito call.
Absolutely. Thank you for saying that. Position size wins the day, right? If and only if it breaks and holds. Not, I'm going to get in early. I'm going to be a hero. No, you're not. You're going to wind up a zero. I like a break and hold on Amazon above 155.44. Otherwise, that's all crap. It's still a put to me. Do you understand the difference? And there it goes. Yep. Look at that. Huh? Who made money on that? Talk to me.
I did, coach.
Thank you.
Coach.
Thank you. Move your stops up. Right? If you bought puts right here, move your stop up. Why? Because it doesn't mean it's going to continue to run. You've already got into the green. Move your stop to lock in your profits. Make sense? Okay? Because we do want it to knife drop, which would be great. And then you don't have to touch the stop. But you want to make sure on the trade of VWAP to the downside, you scoot the stop up. So no matter what, you're in a green trade. I hope that makes sense. Let me walk you through this. So today, right? Today we got in right here on this 2-minute EWO. It drove up, right? We collected 50% here, 20% here, 20% here, 10% here. We got out of the trade. It broke VWAP. You guys rode this all the way down to the critical level of 200. Right here is where I told you this is a great position to go long. You longed it up to VWAP. I told you right here, this is where you want to collect and have your stops in place just in case. Right here, I said this is the perfect opportunity for puts. You bought your puts. Now you guys are back into the calls. You're on the 200. This is now a triple bottom bounce. You've made money all day. All you had to do was listen to the sound of my voice.